Check out these Amazon closet hacks. First up is this extendable hanging rod that is great for maximizing closet space or hanging up outfits that you are planning on wearing. These shoe organizers have adjustable heights and allow you to stack your shoes so that they are nice and tidy. Last is this sunglass organizer that displays them nicely and keeps them free from scratching. Follow me for more Amazon finds.
This gadget easily lifts pet hair, dirt, and debris from your rugs, pet beds, carpets, and car mats, and the unique design easily gets into corners too. And these gorgeous LED lights peel and stick onto any wall, and the light magnetically attaches to the base with 3 brightness settings. The lights rotate 360 degrees and can be used as an emergency light source. These lights are also available in these gorgeous sconces too.
Okay, this is my latest Amazon find that I'm obsessed with. So I have a fear of forgetting to blow out a candle, so I got this candle warmer light. It also just looks really cute, ambient lighting, but it makes the smell stronger and it just looks so good. Also, this candle smells literally so good. Okay, bye.
Amazon Home Finds. This ottoman footrest opens up and turns to a heated foot and calf massaging machine that is controlled with your phone and heats up top. Replace your sofa with this inflatable couch that unfolds into 2 different styles of reclining loungers and functions as spare mattress for your husband. A gadget that installs into any drawer or cupboard can be unlocked with a key fob.
Amazon finds I don't regret buying. I have wanted a wispy willow tree in my home forever. I have never seen one at a nursery, so don't come at me for buying fake plants. This one looks a little crazy when you get it out of the box, but once you untangle its branches, oh my goodness, it is fabulous. It's giving tropical boutique hotel, and at nighttime, a vibe.
If you hate messy visible cords like this, I'm here to help you out. These will change your life. I've used them in my old apartment and bought some more for my new place. All you have to do is unplug any cords that's in the outlet and plug in this outlet concealer. This one specifically has 2 outlet power strips. It comes with these little adhesive cord clips, but full transparency, it had ripped off some of my wall paint at my old place, so this time I decided to use some mini command strips. These are so easy to take off if needed and won't affect the wall paint. First, snap the clip onto the cord, take a piece of the command strip and stick it on the wall. Hold it for a couple of seconds and then stick the cord clip on top. I went around the wall trim and stuck the cord clips every foot or so. Next are these screwless wall plates. If you have any of these useless wall outlets that's just an eyesore, these will do the trick. Also great for child safety. Unscrew the existing wall plate and replace that with the new one. And now you're gonna snap on the cover. So this is what it looked like before and now. Look how clean and seamless it looks. Now, no more ugly, messy cords everywhere. I use these throughout different parts of my house, like the living room and my home office. It makes such a big difference in making the space look more clutter-free.